told you, let's take you now to Kisumu, where the Kisumu County government is urging the business community in the Lake Region economic bloc to capitalize on immediate former U.S. President Barack Obama's visit to the region. Kisumu Deputy Governor Matthews Owili says the region is experiencing an increase in the number of hotel bookings and has urged businessmen to make good use of this opportunity. Obama is expected to make a stopover in Kisumu en route to Siaya. Let's now take a look at what we have from Kevin Ogutu in Kisumu.
A very good afternoon. Actually, I'm right here at Kogelo Shopping Center in Siaya County, where just about 200 meters down the road, we have the Sauti Kuu Foundation. And despite the fact that we were not allowed to have access and even take pictures of what's going on, we actually managed to observe quite a flurry of activities. The preparation towards the visit of Obama in this part of the Siaya County on Monday is clearly on high gear, with the setting up of the dais and together with a number of visitors and those everyone around, trying to ensure that every other thing is in place. The security is equally beefed in this part of Siaya County, with quite a number of police officers quite on the alert, on patrol, trying to ensure that nothing actually goes amiss. So actually right on my right from here, we actually have the Mama Sarah Obama home, which is just which is just a stone throw away from here, and we also have the Kogelo Primary School equally near this place where I'm standing. And so we earlier on we had a conversation with Siaya County Deputy Governor Dr. James Okumbe, who said that the county government of Siaya is actually quite expectant, waiting with bated breath for that particular day where, of course, this county will be in both national and international media, and they expect the linkages so created by the visit to spur economic development in this region where President Obama has his roots. So very quickly, we'll introduce quite just a few members of Kogelo here to probably share with me, if only Dan could pan a bit this particular place where I am. We'll be introducing Anthony, right? Yeah. Anthony, and Anthony is a resident of Kogelo. Probably tell us, as we expect President Obama's visit on Monday, of course he will be coming to here to officially open Sauti Kuu Foundation. As a resident of Kogelo, what are some of your expectations? What do you want to say as we wait for this day?
First, I'll appreciate his way on parents' route. The other thing I'd like to say is that we would wish, if possible, he would link us with the donors so that we achieve development.
Maybe when you talk about development, you could be more specific on these areas that you think should be given priority.
Like water, education, and others. There are so many. Yeah.
And that is it from Anthony, his expectations as the clock ticks towards the visit, actually the first visit by immediate former President of the United States, Mr. Barack Obama, right here in Kogelo. And very quickly, I'll also have to introduce another resident here, probably share with us your thoughts, what your expectations are as we approach Monday.
Okay, I'm called Wilfred Wambare. I'm very much elated by Obama's coming, and we are waiting for him with much expectation. Now, one thing I wish to say is that when he comes, there should be openness, because this foundation, I'm doing business here in Kogelo, but I don't even know the basics of the foundation, how much it costed to construct, all those things. There should be openness. And then number two, we need to have water here in Kogelo. We need to have things like good roads, which are not there. The impact of Kogelo should be seen even in Siaya town, which is the major center of Siaya County. Yes.
Okay, thank you very much, Wilfred, right? Wilfred sharing his thoughts right there. And without forgetting a lady in our midst here, kindly introduce yourself and then tell us some of the expectations that you have.
Thank you. My name is Celestina Worocheng. I'm pastor in Siaya County, a church known as Mzabibu Ministry. I'm very happy with the coming of the president of the world. I can say that he's a son who was born in this region, and he's coming. I can just say that he's coming to see his people, to see his neighbors, his friends, his brothers and sisters. So he's coming. I think that it is going to put more impact in our county of Siaya. And especially, when he comes, I just want him to visit all the Siaya County, especially the county original from Siaya. I think it can be good if he can come to Siaya, visit our county, visit our governor, and even churches. That will make us be happy and even be proud, especially me as a pastor.
Thank you very much, Pastor. That is it from Pastor there, and quite mixed reactions from the residents here. And the expectations as the clock ticks to Monday, where President Barack Obama will be jetting into Kogelo area of Siaya County for the official opening of Sauti Kuu Foundation. From Kogelo in Siaya County, that's what we have for you. Back to you in studio.
Well, indeed, many thanks there, Kevin Ogutu, our regional correspondent in Kisumu. A lot of expectations, really, as former President Barack Obama is expected into the country. We'll be definitely giving you wall-to-wall coverage